Good morning, almost afternoon, everyone. Today is Saturday, October 17th. It is almost noon. I just checked my mail, so I got my paper pumpkins. I'm going to open one of them. So I just wanted you to, so I put spoiler alert. So if you don't want to see what's inside, if you ordered your own, and you want the surprise, then don't watch this video. So as you see, it comes in this box. This is a commemorative box. Both of mine arrived today, which I'm happy about. This month is the first time I ordered 2 of these boxes. So whenever you order, there's the stamp set. It's always on top. So we have a wreath, we have the word joy, Merry Christmas, wishing you a happy Christmas filled with fun and laughter. We have a flower here, sending, these are some berries, to you and yours, to the world. So I guess you could say sending joy to the world, sending joy to you and yours, Merry Christmas to you and yours. So you have a lot of options. Well, this is the stamp set. And the color is just jade. This is the Stampin' spot. Whenever I get these, I don't open these. I save them to give as prizes or as gifts because I have the full-size stamp sets for all the colors. So this will probably be a gift. My second box, depending on what I do with it, my second box might actually be a gift because I won a prize from my team leader, the tag buffet. It's in the mini catalog, so I might use that for my Christmas cards. I'm not sure. I wasn't expecting to win a prize. I was planning to use these 2 paper pumpkin boxes for my Christmas cards. So this just tells you what's inside, and everything's in French, English, French, and German because this box is actually going worldwide, so that's good. And then the actual paper pumpkin supplies are always wrapped in tissue paper. So you can open that. So then it's wrapped in plastic, more plastic, and then with the instructions, and it tells you what they suggest, what the paper pumpkin people suggest you make. We can make 8 cards in this kit. That's why I ordered 2, so I can have 16. So let's get this puppy open. So here's some twine. This is probably cherry cobbler. That's probably the color. Dimensionals. You get dimensionals every month. Some embossed features here. Different sizes, so that's cool. You get 4 of each. Same design, but different size Whisper White cardstock. These are the envelopes. They're lined, and they say love, joy, peace in English, French, and German. So we should have 8 of these. So they're all the same, and all 8 are the same. We have some tags here to stamp our sentiments. And these are the cards. We have 4 with the stripes going in this direction. Come back to that. And then you have 4 card bases with the gold dashed lines going in the other direction. So you can, depending on how you want to organize your card. So here's some pop-ups. Got some flowers, got a wreath. And that can help you when you stamp the wreath. You can stamp this on that and make it darker. It should line up. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages of those. And then we have some other, oops, got these mini glue dots. You know how I feel about these, but here they are. And we have these metallic sheets. Let's see, we have 2 of these. These are pretty thick. So we have a banner here, and then we have some words. Love, joy, and peace in English, German, and French. So that is the paper pumpkin for October 2020. The instructions. I wanted to see what the coordinating colors are. So this tells us what's in the kit. Over here on the left, we have cherry cobbler, crumb cake. That's the color of the card bases. This is crumb cake. Cherry cobbler this is cherry cobbler, the twine. Crumb cake, early espresso is a dark, this is early espresso. Just jade, which I showed you. And soft sea foam, which is this very soft color. So whenever I work on it, I don't know if it'll be today, but when I do work on it, I'm going to get all my ink pads out of the coordinating colors and play around with it. So just to let you know, this is a typical paper pumpkin. When you subscribe for the first time, you get a stamping block. This is the stamping block you get. It's the same size as a D block, but it's slightly thinner. And it says paper pumpkin etched on the side. So that's it. Please let me know if you have any questions. If you're interested in ordering the November box, that has to do with gingerbread. And I'm ordering 2 of those also, because as I said earlier, Christmas is my favorite holiday. So I'm ordering 2 of those also. Don't know what you never know. It's a surprise every month. Don't know what the actual projects will be, but I know it has to do with gingerbread. So thank you for watching. If you're interested in subscribing to Paper Pumpkin, you can visit my website, Interwoven Creations by Crystal, and search for the page that says Paper Pumpkin. And it has the information about subscribing, whether you want to do a month-to-month subscription or whether you want to do prepaid. You can get a code. You can give it as a gift to someone. You know, Christmas is coming. And it'll have my link, and you would join, you would subscribe, and I would be your demonstrator, and I can answer all of your questions. So here's the October 2020 Paper Pumpkin. Happy crafting.